Hi, Devansh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Devansh. How are you doing? And also tell me what's new today. What new news you have brought? How have you been doing? How was it this week?
Ma'am, this time I do not have school.
You did not have school. You did
Yeah,
not go
ma'am.
to.
Ma'am, I thought today also I'm having school, but I'm not having.
What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, I meant that I thought today I have school, but I don't.
Oh, okay. So then what did you do at home?
Ma'am, I was just playing Jenga.
You was playing what?
Jenga.
What's Jenga? Tell me more about it.
Ma'am, it's like a stack of dominoes are there, right?
Ah,
But it's like it's almost like three dominoes. Then again a stack, but the other side. Then we have to slowly pull one brick from that. Whoever makes it fall first will lose. We have to keep those bricks up like that.
okay. And who was playing with you?
I was playing with my father.
Okay. Who won?
Ma'am, first first I won. Then first nobody won because my sister came and broke the whole thing. Second, my father won.
Okay.
Ma'am, these things. See,
Yeah, I understood. I understood. So,
and we have to like stack it like this and again
hmm,
like this.
okay. I got it. I understood. So Vivan, did you watch the recording of puzzle test?
No,
We
ma'am.
have already done puzzle test one. Okay, I'll just give you a quick introduction about of puzzle test one. So puzzle test one we did in the class on Saturday, last week Saturday. Because today we are doing puzzle test two, I'll just give you a quick introduction. Okay, this is puzzle test one. So as the name suggests, puzzle test. So the questions will be like somewhat puzzling. Okay. The topics which we covered already we have
So,
covered
so,
are
ma'am, classification type questions, sitting arrangements, chocolate questions. I know this, ma'am.
you know this classification
Ma'am,
type
I saw
questions.
this in. I saw the recording of this.
That's what I asked you. You saw the recording or not? So these were the three types which we've already discussed. Okay. Now today we are going to start this puzzle test two. In puzzle test two, we are going to cover the topics: comparison questions, selection based on given condition, jumbled questions, and chocolate questions. First off, comparison type question. Comparison type question, either they will tell you that, having cheaper toys or having taller height, something that comparing two things, right? So the question is, if P is taller than Q, Q is shorter than R, how to solve it? According to first statement, you may write P is taller than Q, so P more than Q. Then the next one is Q is shorter than R, Q
Ma'am, so Q is the
Q
shortest.
is Q is shorter than R, so this should be it. And now we will arrange all of these. We do not know whether P is taller or R is taller, but we definitely know that the Q is the shortest one. So yeah, that will be our answer, that the Q is the shortest.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then again, another one. So one was shorter. The next question can be like taller. P is taller than Q. Again, P more than Q, taller than Q. R shorter than P taller than R also. And the last is Q is taller than R. Q is taller than
Ma'am,
R.
but Q is shorter than R.
Where is it written?
Ma'am, before one it was Q is shorter than.
No, but now we are doing another question. Now we are doing another question, so we will have to write it accordingly. P more than Q, so P first, Q, and then Q is taller than R, so the order will be P the tallest,
P.
Q, who is the tallest among all? So P is the tallest among all because you can see P tallest, then Q, and then R. Can you keep it aside? Don't play with it. I'm just waiting for the other students also to join. Right. Meanwhile, let's discuss it. Anyway, third one. Can you read the question?
In the final showdown of the car race, Ranbir finished before Mahesh, but behind Guru. Who came first? Guru. Ma'am, Guru came first.
You can't just read the question and just tell the answer quickly. No.
Ma'am, the way is Ranbir finished before. Ma'am, the way this solves is Ranbir finishes before Mahesh. So Mahesh will come last. Then we have to keep Ranbir. But Ranbir came behind Guru.
Yes.
And
Of course, you are right.
so that
And
Guru.
of course, you are right. But then you can't always give the answer like this. Okay. You can't just quickly tell, see and tell because sometimes you may get it wrong. That's why you get it wrong sometimes also in the test. So for this question, of course, you are right. So that was our comparison based question. The another type of question that we are seeing is selection based on given conditions. A team of 3 is to be selected from amongst 3 boys, A, B, C, and 2 girls. So 3 boys and 2 girls we have. We have to make a team of 3. 3 candidates should be there, 3 participants. Some criteria for selection are A and S have to be together. C cannot be put with R. If 2 members have to be boys, the team will consist of, we want 2 of those members to be boys, either AB, right, or AC or BC. So you see here, let's eliminate out our options. We want 2 boys to be in that team. A and C, A and C. So I will eliminate out these, C and D from here. Right? Apart from that, C cannot be put with R. So C can't be with R. That's why option A also can't be.
So it is B, ma'am.
It is our either B or it can also be E. Why not B? Because there is a boy, A, B, C, all the 3 are boys. We want a girl also in that team.
So none of these, ma'am.
So yes. So you see, in ARS, there are 2 girls and 1 boy. So we have already eliminated the option. Next one. Again, A and S have to be put together. B cannot be put with R. If R is one of the members, the other members of the team are. Now we are making a team of 4 participants. We already have R in it. And we have to decide the rest of the 3. If R is already there, B can't be.
Ma'am?
Right?
I guess it is B, ma'am. The way is in it, A and S have to be together. They both are together in B. And B is not with R.
See, R is already a participant of that group, of that team. R is already selected. R is automatically, by default, R is there. We have to select the rest of the 3 participants, rest of the 3 candidates. R is automatically there, which means we can't take B. Because R said,
ACNS.
yes. So for that reason, we don't want B and we'll eliminate A and B option from here. So yes, we'll have A, C and S, right? So what did we see till now? We have seen 2 types of, we have already covered 2 topics, the comparison question and the selection based on given condition. In comparison question, what type of question did we see?
We have to compare We have to compare like size or anything.
Okay, height or anything.
Size, shape,
Okay.
height.
Then selection based on given condition, meaning the pairing will be given to us, like a team or sitting, like they are sitting on a bench, like that.
And jumbled questions are questions which are jumbled.
Of course, as a name suggests, it will be jumble question we want. Okay, but nice idea. So in jumble question, actually, we will see these type of questions where there are two reporter. Okay, we have P, Q, R, S, T, and U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 people are traveling in a bus. There are two reporters, two technicians. In these 6 people, 2 are reporters, 2 are technicians, 1 photographer, and 1 writer out of these 6 people. If Q, R, T, and U, Q, R, and T, you have the same profession and P is a writer. Q, R, and TU have the same profession. Okay, we have two profession which are 2 in numbers. You see, we have 2 reporters and we have 2 technicians. So those can be Q, R, and TU. Okay, and P is a writer. So P is already given that P is a writer. Who is a photographer in the group? P is a writer. Then Q, R, and our T and U. They will be either technician or reporters. Who is left? Who will be the photographer? The person who is
S.
left will be the photographer. S, of course, definitely. So S will be the photographer. Very good. And that type of concentration I want from you while doing the test also. Okay.
This is a test.
No, this is not the test. I'm just speaking.
I got confused.
You got confused in?
Yeah, ma'am. This month is last month, right?
Yeah. Not last month. Yes, you're right.
Last month for the classes.
So I guess so, yeah.
Ma'am, for math, it's like that. Means for all, it's like that only, ma'am, I guess.
Oh, maths is also ending for you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So then you practice at home. You practice the questions with what you're learning here. Okay, can you please read the...
Ma'am, we are going to do tests based on all of the topics.
Yes, you're right. Can you please read the question here?
Among 3 friends, R, S, and T, each second different marks is in an examination out of a total of 100 marks. S scored more marks than T only. R scored more than S. Who scored the lowest marks in examination? Who scored the highest marks in examination? Write the correct order of marks scored in descending order.
Oh. So each scored different marks. The total marks is 100. S scored more marks than T only. So we have 1, 2, and 3. S scored more marks than T only, meaning S is in the second place and T the last one. And R is the first one then. Are you getting? S scored more marks than T only, meaning there is no one below S. S is the second last, meaning S is the second.
Lowest is T.
T. Who scored highest? R.
And the descending order R, S, T.
Yes. So you can see here R, S, and T. R is scored most and the lowest is C. Next, in the final round of race, Nisha finished before Sia but behind Pia.
I
Nisha
saw
scored
something on the ground.
what?
I just saw something on the ground.
On the floor. What did you see? A lizard?
That's so disgusting.
A worm? Worm?
I don't know what it is.
A centipede? Millipede? Insect? Arthropod? Spider? Nothing.
No, it's no insect. It's some. I don't know, ma'am.
If it's nothing which can bite you, then you need not to be worried about it. Tell me answer to this question here. Who came last? Nisha finished before Sia but behind Sia. Who came last?
Who came last? S.
S. Who is S?
Sia.
Mhm. Four friends, P, Q, S, and T have different heights. C is the second tallest person in the group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second tallest person in the group. P is a taller than S only. P is taller than S only. Only one person left. Q, T, P, S. Who is the third tallest
P.
person in the group? Huh? P. Who is the tallest person of all?
Q.
And who is the shortest person of all?
S.
Now, these questions I will not help. You will solve it. Solve the first question, please. Don't just read it. Write something on the notebook. Write as you read. Write that information on your
Ma'am,
notebook.
write.
You are not writing. I don't see you writing.
I'm writing it in my mind, ma'am, somehow.
Oh no. That's not. It won't work. Please write it on the notebook. Don't write it on your mind.
Ma'am, 1. A.
A.
Yeah,
In a
ma'am.
school, there are four teachers. A and B were teaching Hindi and English respectively. Respectively, if you remember, you have was there.
Ma'am, taught by C. Taught by C. C is the next group.
What is the maximum number of subjects taught by C? So
Ma'am, 1.
only one.
Ma'am, that's what
C
I.
and D were teaching both English and geography. Understand there is a difference in these two statements. A and B were teaching Hindi and English respectively. Meaning A was teaching Hindi and B was teaching English. This respectively word means.
I mean 2.
Your C and D were teaching English and geography. That means they are teaching both the subjects. So C would be teaching two subjects. In a school again, there were four teachers. A and B were teaching Hindi and English respectively. And C and D were teaching English and geography English and geography. Which teacher or teachers teaches English? From the first statement, who is teaching English?
Ma'am, B, C, and D.
B, C, and D. Wonderful. Yes, you are right. So your answer will be B, C, and D. Again, A and B were teaching English and Hindi respectively. D and C were teaching English and geography respectively. Meaning C was teaching English and D was teaching geography. What teacher or teachers teaches English?
Ma'am, B and C.
Wonderful, yes. B and C. So you see, you are very intelligent. Just that sometimes your mind you don't concentrate. Next, fourth number. Three boys are sitting on the bench to be photographed. Rahul is to left of Golu. See, your left is the left of Golu also. So right Golu and left, our left is this. This is my left.
Ma'am, you
So
told
left
you
of,
won't help.
Okay, so you want to do it? Because left or right, I did not tell. That's why I was telling you. But okay, you solve it.
Manit.
Huh? Manit.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
ma'am,
The
the
first
way
one.
is the so Rahul is left of Golu and Manit is immediate right of Rahul. So Manit should be right of Rahul. Then we have to get Golu next. Then it will be Rahul, Manit, and Golu. So Manit.
Very good, very good. Okay, so you know that. Okay, next one then. You solve the fifth one.
Ma'am, Manit again.
Rahul is to left of
Ma'am, I
Golu
mean Golu.
and Manit is to immediate right of Rahul and G extreme left would be this left and this is right. That would be Rahul. Okay, our left hand will be left for them also and our right hand will be right for them. Next one. There are 4 different houses P to S in a row. Okay, you solve the sixth one. P is to right of Q, Q right of QP and R is to right of S. Q is in extreme left. PQRF, extreme left, meaning the line is starting from S. Which house is in the second from the extreme left?
Q.
Second. Q is the extreme left only.
R.
How R? Why R?
I'm getting confused with those parts.
See, we know that Q will, so first of all, P, Q, R, S. 5 houses are there. This is the extreme left, meaning the endmost. And this is the extreme right. Okay. Q will be the extreme left, first position booked. After that, we can arrange Q. After that, we want P, then S, and then R. So, who is the second from the extreme left? P. Again, the same thing, but which house is third from the extreme left? Third from the
S.
extreme left will be S. Yes. Komal, Gilly, and Henna are beautiful. Komal, Rima, and Jaya are cute. Which of the following person has maximum qualities?
Komal.
Komal. Yes.
Ma'am, because the name comes again and again.
The name is coming 2 times. Which of the following person is only cute?
Ma'am, Jaya.
But Jaya is not in the option.
Ma'am, Rima.
Yes. 10th number. After that, I'll give you 5-minute break. Which of the following person is thin and cute? So Komal and Hina are beautiful and thin respectively. Mind it. Komal and Jaya are cute. Which of the following person is thin and cute? See, we know that Komal is beautiful and Hina is thin. We
But-
have only one person who is thin here. Komal is cute and beautiful both, but Jaya is cute only. So there is no such person who is thin and cute
Ma'am,
both.
none of these.
None of these. Take 5 minute break and be back.
And this time the others did not come.
Maybe they are having some other works to do. Vivansh, we are back. Are you there? Hmm. So, tell me, what did you eat today? What did you eat today?
Ma'am, by the way, I didn't eat my lunch. No.
What did you had in breakfast then?
Ma'am, I ate some chapati with, ma'am, I don't know what curry. I forgot.
Okay. What is your favorite vegetables?
Ma'am, carrot. I don't like any other vegetable except carrot.
You only like carrot. So how do you like to eat your carrot? Raw, in salad, or like in curry?
Like, if it's like, what do we call it? If it's like tiny, tiny pieces, I eat it. Not
Okay.
by cutting, by grinding it, kind of.
Oh. You don't like
Ma'am,
potato, you don't like
ma'am,
cauliflower, you don't
what?
like cabbage, you don't like potato, cauliflower, cabbage.
No. Ma'am, I can
Oh,
make a India flag with this. Can I
please
make
do that.
one?
Please do that.
It's so
I would like
easy.
to see. Why? Wow.
Ma'am, I can do any other color like orange. Can I make it? No.
No, no. I just wanted to see
It's
the
so
part.
easy, ma'am.
It's easy. Of course, indeed, it's easy for you
Ma'am,
to do.
in last part, I can do one color and show.
Please do that. I would like to see. Okay. So, let's see the next question. And now the 10 questions which are left, I will not say anything, but we will say, but you will solve. Right. 10 questions we have already completed. We have 10 more questions to go. 11 question on your screen, Devansh.
I get so confused with this kind of questions.
See, write for the first statement, X knows more than A. So you may write X more than A. Using the greater than, smaller than, you just keep on writing. I mean, as you read the statement, write it. Y knows as much as B. So Y is same knowledgeable as B is. Then Z knows less than C. So C more than Z. Then A knows more than Y. This is the arrangement. The best knowledgeable person amongst all is,
X.
huh?
X.
Yes. So just that you have to write, and you write, when you will finish it writing, you will be able to see it. X more than A more than Y equals B, and then C,
C more than
lastly
Z.
C. So this will be the order. The most knowledgeable is X. Next. 5 children were administered psychological tests to know their intellectual levels. In the report, psychologists pointed out that the child A is less intelligent than the child B. So B intelligent than A. The child C is less intelligent than child D. So D more than C. Don't put your camera off. Third, the child B is less intelligent than the child C. C more than B. And child A is more intelligent than child E. Arrange all of these. Which child is the most intelligent?
So the person who is most knowledgeable is D.
Very good, yes. D more than C, B, then A, then E. So of course that would be D. Now you solve 13 numbers. Among 5 boys, Vineet is taller than Manik. So it's easy for you. Why are you just staring at the question? Write something. Vineet is taller than Manik. Vineet taller than Manik, but not as tall as Ravi. So Vineet is actually shorter than Ravi. Then Jacob is taller than Dilip, but shorter than Manik. Jacob, then and Manik. Who is the tallest in their group? So Vineet, R, V, M, J, and D. So who is the tallest? R. Ravi is the tallest. 40 number.
Ma'am,
Who is the shortest in their group?
Dilip.
Ah, very good.
Ma'am, I wrote it in my book and I'm saying from my book.
Of course, of course. Because in the test also you will see that they will give only one direction or only one instruction, and we'll have to answer the rest of it from that. Okay, next. 5 boys participated in a competition. Rohit was ranked lower than Sanjay, which means Sanjay ranked more than Rohit. Vikas was ranked higher than Dinesh. Kamal's rank was between Rohit and Vikas. Who was ranked highest? So that should be S, R, K,
V,
and D. So that should be S, Sanjay. Next is 6 lectures A, B, C, D, E, and F are to be organized in a span of 7 days. In 7 days from Sunday to Saturday, we have these lectures to be organized for 7 days. Only one lecture on each day in accordance with the following. A should not be organized on Thursday. On Thursday, there should be no A. C should be organized immediately after F. So F, next C. There should be a gap of 2 days between E and D. E, D or D, E. Then no lecture should be organized on Monday and D will be organized just before Monday, meaning D is organized on Sunday. D is organized on Sunday. B should be organized on Tuesday and should not be followed by D.
Ma'am, on which days there is no lecture? Monday.
Monday. So on which day there is no lecture, that should be Monday. How many lectures are organized between C and D?
1.
D will be organized just before Monday, meaning on Sunday. D is organized on Sunday. Apart from that, D, let's fix it for Sunday, and there is 2 days gap between E and D. 1, 2.
Ma'am,
E.
1 gap.
1, 2, E.
Ma'am, 1 day gap.
Monday gap? What do you mean Monday gap?
Ma'am, before D comes Z. Ma'am, on Saturday.
B should be organized on Tuesday. Between C and D. C, F and C. You see.
Ma'am,
Sunday,
Wednesday.
Monday,
Ma'am,
Tuesday. No,
C.
Wednesday is E. Wednesday is E. Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday we have. Wednesday. After that we will have F and C. F and C. So between D and C. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps. That means none of these will be the answer. Let me check it once.
Ma'am, what's the difference of none and none of these?
None means there will be no gap. None of these will be, means the options which are given to us are not the ones. We want some other option.
Ma'am, so none and none of these both?
Why? How can that be? No, that's not possible. How none and none of these? None means there is no gap. So yes, our answer is going to be 4. In that case, that would be 3. 1, 2, and 3. Wait. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Where did I write C? B, E, T, F. F, C. On Friday, we will have C. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There should be 4 gaps. What is the question? How many lectures? So, lectures are 3 only because on Monday, we are not having any lectures. You see, on Sunday, we are having D. Monday, no lecture. On Tuesday, we are having B. Wednesday, E. On Thursday, we are having F. And Friday, C. So, technically only 3 lectures are there. Although 4 days gap, but lectures are 3. So, that's why our answer will be 3. I have already made the arrangement here and we can answer the rest also. Which day will be lecture F organized? Lecture F is organized on huh?
Thursday.
Thursday.
Ma'am, I'm
Thursday.
getting
So
confused
option A.
because it's like Thursday is another Tuesday because, ma'am, could you add H?
Okay. TU. Okay, THU and TU. And then which of the following is the last lecture in the series?
Friday. C.
Friday, we have on Saturday. We do have on Saturday. We do have on Saturday. For Saturday, we did not write yet. So D done. B also done. A not done. A will be the last lecture. So our last lecture is going to be A. Okay, and that should be option A itself. Next is Which of the following information is not required in finding the complete sequence of organizing the lectures? Which of these information are not required in order to find the logic in the sequence? These information we have to tell. A should not be organized on Thursday. C should be organized immediately after F. There should be a gap between 2 days. Which of these information do you think is of no use? I can still answer without that.
Fifth one.
Fifth one. Actually, our answer is all are required. Okay, see, Vivansh, this type of question can be really puzzling. So you confirm me. Are you able to understand it? Can you try to draw the sequence again by looking at the information given? Or else I will try to find a question from where you can solve it. Okay, wait, I will find a new question. I'll find a new question for you. Siddhant is joining so late. So late. We are almost done with the topic here. Hi, Siddhant.
Ma'am, that's so late. Ma'am, only
I also said the same thing.
ma'am 24 minutes only left. Ma'am, only 24 minutes. She's so late.
Siddhant, you are so late, Siddhant.
Ma'am, what if everyone else comes at
No, everyone else
at
is joining now.
3:15?
No, I don't think that anyone will do that. Hi, Siddhant. At least speak, Siddhant.
By the way, he's more later than I was late yesterday at my abacus class. I was half an hour late in my abacus class yesterday in school. Siddhant is 52 minutes late.
Siddhant, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
नहीं कहाँ थे आप? What happened, Siddhant?
मैं आज फोन पे ज्वाइन कर रहा था और मैं आज बाहर था थोड़ा इसलिए,
Okay, give me a minute.
लेकिन अब मैं घर पे हूँ, फोन पे ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ और अभी मुझे दिक्कत आ रही थी फोन पे ज्वाइन करने से. What was he saying?
Okay, सिद्धांत, हमने आज जो टॉपिक पढ़ा है वो है पजल टेस्ट. पजल टेस्ट में आप थे, लास्ट सैटरडे आप थे. मैं ये क्वेश्चन शेयर कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन पे और आप इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए। Both of you, Vivansh, although we have already solved this, but please try to see it again, read it and solve it. I will explain you. But you first give it a try.
Ma'am, ma'am, what was Siddhant even saying? Ma'am,
Siddhant, can you please read this question here, Siddhant?
मैम मुझे कोई रीड नहीं करना आता, कुछ भी रीड नहीं करना आता,
ये कब से हुआ?
नहीं आता मुझे।
आपको तो बहुत अच्छे से रीड करना आता है और ये फर्स्ट क्लास तो है नहीं कि जो मैं ले रही हूँ आपका फर्स्ट क्लास। मुझे पता है आपको कितना रीड करने आता है और आपको इंग्लिश भी कितने बोलने आता है, वो भी मुझे पता है। रीड आउट कीजिए आप। यहाँ से पढ़िए, जहां जहां भी आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, वहां है हेल्प करूंगी मैं। आप पढ़िए, ऐसा ही एक्स तो आता है आपको।
6 letters
6
A B
लेक्चर्स
C A B C D
E and
E
F
are to be
organized
organized in a span of 7
days,
days from
Sunday,
Sunday to
Saturday.
Saturday only. Letters
One lecture
on each letters on each day in accordance with
accordance.
accordance with the following.
Hmm.
C should be or inventor after F. There should be a gap of 2 days between E and D. No letter should be resigned on Monday and they will be resigned just before
हाँ
Monday.
ठीक है, ओके, वेट वेट सिद्धांत, इट्स ओके, हो गया। देखो यहाँ पर क्या है ना कि हमारे पास 6 लेक्चर्स हैं, ABCDENF। ये 6 लेक्चर्स होने हैं। लेक्चर्स के नाम मतलब आप सब्जेक्ट समझ लो, और ये 7 डेज में होने हैं। ठीक है, हमको इनका ऑर्डर निकालना है और ऑर्डर के लिए यहाँ पर हमको इंफॉर्मेशन दिया गया है। हमारा पहला इंफॉर्मेशन है दैट ए शुड नॉट बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑन थर्सडे। हमारा कब से होना है लेक्चर? संडे टू सैटरडे। संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे। विवांश, डोंट डू एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा, लुक एट हियर। फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे। ए थर्सडे में नहीं होना है, ठीक है, नो नीड टू राइट दैट। सी शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज इमीडिएटली आफ्टर एफ, तो इसको राइट इट सेपरेटली। एफ आफ्टर दैट इमीडिएटली, एफ के जस्ट बाद हमको सी ऑर्गेनाइज करना है। देयर शुड बी अ गैप ऑफ 2 डेज बिटवीन ई एंड डी। ई और डी के बीच में 2 दिन का गैप होना चाहिए। एंड no lecture should be organized on Monday. तो Monday there should not be any lecture. D will be organized just before Monday. Monday के just एक दिन पहले, मतलब D हम Sunday को organize करेंगे। ठीक है, apart from that it is also said that there should be 2 days gap. हाँ, there should be gap of 2 days between E and D. 1, 2. E will be done on Wednesday. F और C को हमें साथ में रखना है, तो we have only one place, F and C, and lastly one place is left, तो A will be there because A should not be done on Thursday. So we have only place left for A, that is on Saturday. And B will be done here. ठीक है. Now,
Ma'am,
on which
maybe the answer is D.
on which day there is no lecture? Slow lecture. तो देखो no lecture. Monday को तो कोई lecture है ही नहीं. It was clearly said that Monday there will be no lecture. You see here, it's written there no lecture should be organized on Monday. So that should be Monday. Then how many lectures are organized between C and D? Between C and D कितने lectures हुए हैं? तो D, E, F 3 lectures हुए हैं. तो 3 lectures were done between C and D. ठीक है. Our next question is which day will the lecture F be organized? F हम किस दिन organize कर रहे हैं बताइए. ये मैं क्वेश्चन दोबारा आपके लिए ही डिस्कस कर रही हूँ सिद्धांत. एफ हमने किस दिन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? देखिए, संडे को हमने डी ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, ट्यूसडे हमने बी किया है, वेंसडे हमने ई, एफ, थर्सडे. तो एफ हमने कब ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? थर्सडे को.
राइटिंग नहीं समझ आ रही थी.
नीचे मैंने वीक के नेम लिखे हैं और ऊपर मैंने लेटर्स लिखा है.
लेकिन आपने नीचे जो लिखा है वो नहीं समझ आ रहा. वीक के नहीं.
संडे के बाद स्टार्ट है. संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे और सैटरडे. ठीक है. संडे से स्टार्ट किया है तो उसके आगे का हम समझ लेंगे. संडे मंडे के जो भी आपको तो पता ही है. Now which of the following is the last lecture in the series? सबसे लास्ट लेक्चर हमने किसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? ए को. ठीक है. तो आपको मार्क कर देना है यहाँ पर ए. Then which of the following information is not required? ऊपर जो हमको इतने सारे इंफॉर्मेशन दिए गए हैं, ये सारे इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पूछा है इन 5 इंफॉर्मेशन में से किसके बिना आप आंसर कर सकते हो? हाँ, नहीं, मुझे सारे इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. वी वॉन्ट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है. तो ये टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन था आपका डायरेक्शन 16 to 20, आपका इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, जहाँ पे आपको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाएगा और उससे से आपके बाकी क्वेश्चन भी रिलेटेड होंगे. और जो बाकी क्वेश्चन है सिद्धांत, वो भी मैं आपको एक बार रिपीट कर देती हूँ. देखिए, तो पहला टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक जो हमने देखा है उसमें हमने कंपैरिजन टाइप. कंपेयर मतलब हम दो चीजें लेंगे, मतलब एक एडजेक्टिव लेंगे या फिर नॉलेजेबल या फिर टॉलर और स्ट्रॉन्गर और कुछ भी. लाइक हमने कंपेयर किया है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो क्वेश्चन है P इज टॉलर देन Q. तो आप इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे P टॉलर देन Q. ठीक है. देन Q शॉर्टर देन R. तो Q R से शॉर्ट है. शॉर्ट टॉलर दिखाना है. टॉलर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम टॉलर ही लिखिए. यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा है, Q इज शॉर्टर देन R लिखा है, लेकिन मैं Q शॉर्टर देन R नहीं लिखूंगी. मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं लिखूंगी, रादर मैं R को पहले लिखूंगी सो दैट मैं अरेंज कर पाऊं. R मोर देन Q. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द शॉर्टेस्ट? अरेंज कर दो. P मोर देन Q एंड R मोर देन Q. तो हमें नहीं पता P और R में से सबसे छोटा कौन है, लेकिन मुझे ये जरूर पता है कि Q दोनों से छोटा है और हमारे पास 3 ही लोग थे. तो सबसे छोटा कौन हो गया? सिद्धांत, P and R, I do not know whether P is taller or R is taller, but I surely know that Q is shorter than both of them. So who is the shortest? Shortest, Q is the shortest of all. Siddhant, got it?
No, ma'am.
फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट जो है वो पढ़िए. यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? यहाँ T taller than Q. T taller than Q. आप इसको हाँ
P
आप
is taller than Q. Q is shorter than R. Which of the following is the shortest?
आपको मोर देन और स्मॉलर देन साइन पता है ना सिद्धांत?
Yes.
हाँ. तो अगर आपको दिखाना हो दैट 8 इज टॉलर देन 7, तो आप ऐसे दिखाएंगे ना?
Yes.
सेम चीज आपको यहाँ पे भी करना है। P इज टॉलर देन Q, आप इसको कैसे दिखाएंगे? P टॉलर देन Q। हाँ, नेक्स्ट वन, Q शॉर्टर देन R। Q R से भी छोटा है। अब अगर मैं बोलूं कि आप मुझसे छोटे हैं, अदर वे राउंड वुड बी कि मैं आपसे बड़ी हूँ। आप मुझसे छोटे हैं, मैं आपसे बड़ी हूँ, सिमिलर, सेम थिंग। Q is shorter than R also means R is taller than Q। तो सबसे छोटा कौन है यहाँ पर? सबसे छोटा यहाँ पर Q है, जो कि P से भी छोटा है और R से भी छोटा है, और तीन ही लोग हैं हमारे पास। तो सबसे छोटा कौन हो गया? Q। ठीक है, अब आप अगला क्वेश्चन पढ़िए और आंसर करने की कोशिश कीजिए सिद्धांत। यहाँ देखो क्या लिखा है, P इज टॉलर देन Q। मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? P टॉलर देन Q। इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ना है और उसको पैरेलली लिखना है। R शॉर्टर देन P, तो इसका मतलब P
Q से बड़ा है
R से
और
बड़ा है ना? P R is shorter than P, मतलब P is taller than R, then Q is taller than R, तो Q taller than R। अरेंज करेंगे अब हम सबको। Who is tallest among of all of them? Q, P and R। ये हो गया हमारा अरेंजमेंट, P Q R। Who is the tallest among them? सबसे बड़ा कौन है? ये देखो आपका, ये अरेंज किया मैंने
P।
डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, P। तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा P, A1। Vivansh, I see you are playing. What did you made?
I'm just
What's that?
I'm just paper fingers.
Paper fingers. Those are nails.
No,
Nails of
ma'am.
which are
Fingers,
nails?
ma'am. These are fingers. The tips are nails. These are actually
Oh,
ninja fingers.
ninja fingers. Okay. Can you pick up some pen or pencil with it? What's the use of it? Wow. Very nice. सिद्धांत, आप एक क्वेश्चन मुझे बनाकर दिखा दीजिए, मैं समझ जाऊंगी कि आपको समझ आया है। देखो, इन द फाइनल राउंड ऑफ द रेस, रेस का फाइनल राउंड है, रणबीर फिनिश्ड बिफोर महेश बट बिहाइंड गुरु। रणबीर ने किसके पहले फिनिश किया है?
Minute.
हाँ, महेश।
Minutes.
महेश महेश रणबीर
Mami.
ने महेश के पहले फिनिश किया है, लेकिन वो गुरु से पीछे है। तो कैसे लिखूंगी? गुरु से पीछे है रणबीर। ये हो गया ऑर्डर। आपका क्वेश्चन है हु केम फर्स्ट, फर्स्ट कौन आया?
Guru.
गुरु। आपका आंसर गुरु है। यही तो करना है यहाँ पर सिद्धांत। दूसरा टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है हमारा ये, सिलेक्शन बेस्ड ऑन गिवन कंडीशन। क्वेश्चन है, ए टीम ऑफ 3 इज टू बी सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम अमंग 3 बॉयज एंड 2 गर्ल्स। यहाँ पे हमारे पास 5 बच्चे हैं और उनमें 3 लड़के हैं, 2 लड़कियां हैं। सम क्राइटेरिया फॉर द सिलेक्शन आर, कुछ क्राइटेरिया दिए हैं हमें सिलेक्शन का, टीम सेलेक्ट करना है 3 बच्चों से मिलाकर। ए एंड एस हैव टू बी टुगेदर, ए अगर होगा टीम में तो एस भी रहेगा टीम में उसके साथ। सी आर के साथ नहीं रह सकता, सी एक लड़का है और आर एक लड़की है, बट दे कैन नॉट बी टुगेदर इन अ टीम। अगर सी होगा तो आर नहीं, और अगर आर हुआ तो सी नहीं। इफ टू ऑफ द मेंबर्स हैव टू बी बॉयज द टीम विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ, अगर 2 लड़के उसमें चाहिए हमें, तो टीम में कितने, मतलब टीम में, और बाकी जो थर्ड होगा वो कौन होगा? हमें 2 लड़के चाहिए। आप देखिए ऑप्शंस में से आपके 2 लड़के किसमें हैं? यहाँ पर है ए सी, ए और सी दोनों बॉयज।
Ma'am, maybe E.
ई तो देखो सिद्धांत, आपको ई तो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ऑप्शन, लेकिन मुझे समझाने दीजिए। मुझे पता है आपने समझकर आंसर नहीं किया है। ए और सी हमें चाहिए, तो मैं इसलिए बी को एलिमिनेट कर रही हूँ और मैं डी को भी एलिमिनेट कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे 2 लड़के चाहिए। देखो ऑप्शन सी में देखिए, आर एस दोनों लड़कियां हैं, मुझे तो 2 लड़के चाहिए। मैंने सी को एलिमिनेट कर दिया, डी में भी आर और एस दोनों है, तो मैंने डी भी एलिमिनेट कर दिया। मुझे ए सी और नन ऑफ दीज हो सकता है। अब यहाँ पे लिखा है सी कैन नॉट बी पुट विथ आर, अगर सी है तो आर नहीं हो सकता। ऑप्शन ए में सी और आर दोनों थे। मेरा बी बचा है या फिर नन ऑफ दीज बचा है? बी क्यों नहीं सिलेक्ट करूंगी मैं? बताओ मुझे, बी क्यों नहीं सिलेक्ट करूंगी मैं सिद्धांत? बी में भी तो दो लड़के हैं और बी में भी तो दो लड़के हैं, हमें तो दो लड़का चाहिए। बी क्यों नहीं सिलेक्ट करेंगे हम? कोई आइडिया? वी विल नॉट सेलेक्ट बी बिकॉज सिद्धांत ये जो
सी
बी
है उसमें।
नहीं, ए और सी तो है लड़के, लेकिन यहाँ बी भी है, मीनिंग तीनों ही लड़के हैं। ऑप्शन बी में देखो ए बी सी तीनों ही तो लड़के हैं, हमें एक लड़की भी तो चाहिए, हमें एक लड़की भी चाहिए, तो ऑप्शन बी में लड़की नहीं है, इसलिए हमने ऑप्शन ई चूज किया है। ठीक है, तो सिलेक्शन वाले क्वेश्चन ये थे। एक,
जंबल क्वेश्चन।
हाँ जंबल क्वेश्चन भी है, वो भी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ। देखो जंबल क्वेश्चन में क्या है ना, कि हमको प्रोफेशन देंगे या फिर कोई सब्जेक्ट वो लोग पढ़ते हैं, वो सारे क्वेश्चन देंगे। यहाँ पे जंबल क्वेश्चन में हमको दिया है पी क्यू आर एस टी एन यू, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, 6 लोग हैं, दे आर ट्रेवलिंग इन अ बस, वो बस से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। देर आर 2 रिपोर्टर्स, उन 6 लोगों में 2 लोग रिपोर्टर हैं, 2 लोग टेक्नीशियन हैं, एंड वन है फोटोग्राफर, एक इंसान फोटोग्राफर है और एक उसमें से राइटर है। इफ क्यू आर एंड टी यू हैव द सेम प्रोफेशन, अगर क्यू और आर दोनों सेम काम करते हैं, टी एंड यू भी दोनों सेम काम करते हैं, और पी एक राइटर है, पी राइटर है, क्यू और आर या तो टेक्नीशियन हो सकते हैं या रिपोर्टर, क्योंकि 2 लोग हैं जो कि सेम काम करते हैं, तो ये या तो देखो रिपोर्टर हो सकते हैं, और या फिर चांसेस ये है कि वो लोग टेक्नीशियन भी हो सकते हैं। रिपोर्टर और टेक्नीशियन कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमें और इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए जानने के लिए। ठीक है, अब हमें पूछा है कि उनमें से फोटोग्राफर कौन है। देखो टेक्नीशियन और रिपोर्टर का तो हो गया, राइटर का भी हो गया, जो बचा है वही होगा फोटोग्राफर। कौन बचा है यहाँ पर? पी क्यू आर एस टी यू, क्यू और आर हो चुका हमारा, टी एंड यू भी हो चुका हमारा, और मेरा पी पी भी हो चुका है जो कि एक राइटर है। अभी कौन बचा है यहाँ पर? एस बचा है सिर्फ। एस के लिए कुछ नहीं दिया हमें, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो बचा है वही होगा आपका कौन? फोटोग्राफर। सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ में आया?
यस मैम।
बढ़िया। अब एक और चीज आपको बताना चाहूंगी मैं, वो ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन। आपको पता है रेस्पेक्टिवली वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पर लिखा है दैट ए एंड बी वर टीचिंग हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश रेस्पेक्टिवली। रेस्पेक्टिवली का मतलब ए इज टीचिंग हिंदी एंड बी इज टीचिंग इंग्लिश, जो जिस ऑर्डर में दिया है उसी ऑर्डर में हमको मानना पड़ेगा। सी एंड डी वर टीचिंग इंग्लिश एंड ज्योग्राफी, का मतलब सी
मैम
इंग्लिश एंड ज्योग्राफी दोनों। हाँ बताइए।
मे बी 0।
नहीं, नहीं, अरे हाउ जीरो? मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट टॉट बाय सी, सी कितने सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं ये हमें बोलना है।
2 मे बी।
हाँ, मे बी, यस यू आर राइट, यू आर राइट, 2 सब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज सी इज टीचिंग इंग्लिश एंड ज्योग्राफी बोथ, लेकिन ए इज टीचिंग हाउ मेनी सब्जेक्ट? ए कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहा है? A and B were teaching Hindi and English respectively. A is teaching Hindi and B is teaching English only. ये होता है respectively वर्ड का मतलब। अगर respectively दिया है तो you have to take जो फर्स्ट में दिया है उसका फर्स्ट, और जो सेकंड में दिया है उसका सेकंड। Sometimes respectively words will not be given or it will be given twice, जैसे कि यहाँ पर A and B were teaching Hindi and English respectively, and C and D were teaching English and geography respectively. What teacher teaches English? Which teacher or teachers teach English?
Ma'am, answer is. Have you thought that I can't lift anything with this weight?
Hmm.
B and C. I'll say something.
देखो, wait a minute, Vivansh. C is teaching
B and
English.
C.
हाँ, B and C. बढ़िया. यही मैं आपको बताना चाह रही थी. तो
मैम
ऑलमोस्ट
दोनों का है क्या B and C?
B and C, yes.
मैम
B
see
and C
this.
दोनों पढ़ा रहे हैं. तो लगभग मैंने आपका सारा टॉपिक यहाँ पे कवर कर दिया है. Yes, Vivansh, what are you saying?
मैम see this.
Oh, you are actually not holding with the paper but your hand. You have gripped it with your paper. Sorry, your hand, your fingers. No, 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 no. If only, then lift it with only your tips, the tips of your those fingers. It will fall down. Don't do that. Oh, you spilled water. Now you'll get scolded by your mom. Oh, you spilled water, Viman.
Nothing, but I just wiped it off
Okay. Tomorrow we are
my
having test.
fingers.
Tomorrow we are having test.
Tomorrow is a test.
The link is already shared. The link is already shared with you. Find the test, find the link, and do the test. If not, then okay, we will do that in class. If you both can't do it, no problem. We'll do that.
You see, ma'am. You told me to do blue, right?
Hmm. Yeah, Vivansh, but you're not showing. You put your camera off. Oh, right. I can also do one color.
Last time I almost did all the colors, but my sister came up.
Siddhant, how was your Vaishno Devi trip?
Good.
Good. Did you climb on your own or you took the pony?
On.
Huh? Oh, I don't believe. You trek on your own.
Yeah.
खुद चढ़ गए थे आप?
हाँ, और खुद उधर से गया था. That's
Wow.
probably a lie. And trekking can't be almost like that. Last time I
But
was.
he went with his family, no? And Vaishno Devi is not like that. I mean, it's the route is pakka. It's cemented only. Just that it is very slanting. It's very inclined actually.
Yes, and zigzag.
Exactly. See, you know so many English words, but yet you say I can't read. I don't know English. Siddhant, what? Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow, both of you. Do that test if you can, or if not, then we'll see that tomorrow. Siddhant, join tomorrow on.
Today I'm going to my friend's birthday party, my classmate's birthday party.
Okay, so go and eat a lot and
Ma'am,
celebrate birthday
ma'am,
party.
he is my best friend.
Oh,
He
so
invited me.
happy
Ma'am,
birthday to your best friend.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, actually today is not his birthday.
Is it belated
It's
birthday?
almost like
Fine.
day before yesterday. That
Oh,
day.
day before yesterday is yesterday.
But
Okay.
he did not celebrate, so today he's doing.
Right. So I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.